We hope you enjoy this interview from the 32nd Annual Carolina Collector Auto Fest held in 2018. The 2019 edition of the Auto Fest is set for Saturday, May 18th at its all-new location in Roxborough, North Carolina. And don't miss our swap meet. It runs Friday, May 17th and Saturday the 18th. Watch the video completely for more information about how you can register for the 2019 Carolina Collector Auto Fest. Enjoy the video. We're here with Ricky Ward from Elon, North Carolina. And Ricky, I can't believe it. You told me a tree fell on this car. Man, you guys did a great job getting this thing put back together. It looks like a brand new Mustang.
It practically is. When I bought the car, I physically literally laid in the floor, feet against the roof, and pushed the roof panel back up just to drive the car home.
Wow, wow. You know, when I was a kid, my brother used to have these, and we were going down Interstate 40 west of Winston-Salem, and we were going pretty fast, probably about 100 miles an hour. State trooper pulls us over, and I was like, oh man, we're going to jail. And you know what he did? He asked my brother what was under the hood. And it had a 289 just like this one, so hopefully you won't get any blue lights like we did. Ricky, great Mustang. Come on down to the show and check it out. The 33rd edition of the Carolina Collector Auto Fest is set for Saturday, May 18th at its all-new location, a 100,000 square foot facility at 455 Lucy Garrett Road in Roxborough, North Carolina. A swap meet will be held in conjunction with the Auto Fest on Friday, May 17th and Saturday the 18th. Setup day for vendors and larger displays is Thursday, May 16th. Indoor VIP display spaces for the car show are available while they last for only $25. Vendors and show VIP spaces include a free meal. Pre-register by emailing us at ccaf@strutmasters.com or message us on the Auto Fest Facebook page. All vehicles and motorcycles are welcome for this year's Auto Fest regardless of age, and we'll have professional judging and trophies in several categories, plus cash giveaways and free admission to spectators both days of the show courtesy of strutmasters.com. Outside spaces start at just $10, and with 10 acres of paid parking, we've got room for everyone. Register now, and we'll see you at the 2019 Auto Fest.